A capacitor is actually a device used to store electrical energy. Many times you have asked what is the type of this electrical energy. So this electrical energy belongs to potential energy, or you can say electrical potential energy also. Then basically, what is a capacitor? If you ask, you can write a capacitor is an isolated system, focus on isolated, okay, of two conductors, two conductors separated by an insulator. Also focus on this insulator. Usually we use term dielectric medium, dielectric medium instead of insulator. So you can also define a capacitor is an isolated system of two conductors separated by a dielectric medium. Okay, now the conductors may be of any shape or size. As per our syllabus, we have to learn about parallel plates capacitor, but capacitors are of various types. The conductors can have the shape cylindrical or spherical also. Okay, so let us proceed. The symbol used for capacitor in circuits is as shown: two parallel small lines, vertical lines, as because we learn about parallel plate capacitors. Okay, so now if two conductors, already we have discussed about what capacitor is an isolated system of two conductors. So if two conductors are carrying equal and opposite charges, plus q and minus q respectively, and the potential difference between them is V, then we can say the charge on any of the plate is proportional to potential difference between them, as we have discussed and learnt in the first chapter and also in the first half of the second chapter. This implies Q is equal to, when we change this sign of proportionality by equal sign, there comes a constant of proportionality that is denoted by C here, where C is nothing but is the capacitance of the capacitor. So therefore C is equal to Q upon V. This is the mathematical formula expression for capacitance of a capacitor, and it is also the mathematical definition. By this formula we can define capacitance of a capacitor is the amount of charge required to raise the potential difference between the plates by 1 unit. Okay, look, now the SI unit of capacitance, C. Since C is equal to Q upon V, and Q is the charge which is measured in Coulomb unit, and V is the potential difference which is measured in volt. So you can say SI unit of capacitance is Coulomb per volt, which is also known as farad, and the short symbol is capital F. Okay, so you can say Coulomb per volt or farad Coulomb per volt or farad capital F. So 1 Coulomb per volt is equal to 1 farad. Usually farad is a very large unit, hence the unit used for the capacitance of a capacitor is either in microfarad or picofarad, where 1 microfarad, as you already learned about micro is meant for 10 to the power minus 6, it is a prefix symbol, and 1 picofarad is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 farad. Then comes what is the dimensions of capacitance, not capacitor. Okay, so capacitance C is equal to, use capital C, is equal to Q upon V. And what you know about fundamental physical quantities? Current is a fundamental physical quantity, and Q is equal to IT, and V is usually given by W upon Q. Okay, so I has the symbol A, T for capital T. W, work, has the same dimensions, that is of what? Energy. And already we have found that Q is equal to IT. So finally the dimensions of C we are getting M power minus 1, L power 2, T power 4, A power minus 2. Now give a look on the given notes and give some time to note down from it, so that you will have your own note. And at last, I want to say my thanks to you all to be a part of this session. We will meet again in next sessions. Till then, thank you. Thanks to you all.